The brand sent me this 24-pack of dishwasher, cleaner, and deodorizer tablets to try out. And they've been an easy, effective way to keep my dishwasher fresh and running smoothly. Each tablet deep cleans the inside of the machine, removing grease, food residue, and limescale buildup. After a single cycle, the dishwasher looks cleaner and smells fresh again. You just drop one tablet inside and run a normal cycle. It's that simple. What I really like is that these are heavy duty but still septic safe, made with natural ingredients that are gentle on the machine while tackling calcium and odor buildup. With 24 tablets in one pack, it's about a year's supply if you clean twice a month, making it both convenient and cost effective. If you want a low effort way to keep your dishwasher clean, deodorized, and performing at its best, this pack is a solid option to have on hand.